how to transfer photos from Android to iPhone. So let's get started. The best method is Share It. Share It is one of the fastest ways to transfer photos from Android to iPhone. From transferring photos, videos, and documents to sharing audio music files, Share It helps you share data with minimal effort. So, firstly, all you have to do is install Share It for iPhone and Android and launch it on iOS and Android devices. Next, tap on Send on your Android device to select the photos you want to send to the iOS device. When the screen turns blue on your Android device, select Connect to iOS/WP and next a password and a mobile hotspot name will appear on your screen. Now you will need to turn on the hotspot option on your iPhone and launch the Share It. Then tap on the Receive option to start sending photos from Android to iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.